Well, joining me now from CommSec is Craig James. Good morning to you, Craig. So we've got some gains overnight in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, I see, but the ASX 200 relatively flat.
Yeah, relatively flat. You're only expecting a gain around about 14 points at the start of trade, or 0.2%. We have got all that all-important US consumer price index, the inflation data coming out on Thursday, so awaiting those figures. But certainly the lead-in from the United States is positive. Dow Jones is up by over 150 points, or 0.4%. Broader market, Standard & Poor's 500 is up by 0.6%, Nasdaq up by 0.8%. We've got 22 stocks from the S&P 500, which are hitting 52-week highs. 8 out of the 11 industry sectors are higher. And in terms of the Dow Jones index of 30 stocks, we've got 18 stocks higher. So generally positive in the United States. Certainly some of the news coming out is positive as well. Corporate news, Intuitive Surgical, member of the Nasdaq 100, fourth quarter revenue beat expectations. Its shares up around about 10%. WD-40, maker of all good things for cars and locks and the like. Its earnings have beaten expectations for the first quarter. Its share price up 14%. And Lennar, the home builder, its shares up 3% after it's raising the annual dividend. One area that's likely to be a little bit under pressure in our market is the energy sector, because the oil price is down in the order of 1.3%. A surprise build or increase in US crude stocks in the last week. We have the Aussie dollar still clinging to 67 cents. It seems to like that sort of level, doesn't want to stray too far away from it. We've got trade data coming out here in Australia. A $7.5 billion surplus is expected for the month of November. As I mentioned beforehand, the US Consumer Price Index, the inflation data, coming out in the United States later tonight.
We'll check in with you again soon, Craig. Thank you.